How to install downloader on Samsung Smart TV. So first and foremost, turn on your Samsung Smart TV. On the home screen, head over to the settings and then select personal section and locate the security option. Here you'll find unknown sources settings. Enable it by toggling the switch. With this enabled, you can download apps from sources other than the Play Store. Now enable developer mode. So turn your Samsung Smart TV on, go to settings and choose the Smart Hub option, select apps section. After clicking the apps panel, enter the pin 12345 when prompted, and this is the default code for Samsung Smart TVs. A window for developer mode configuration will appear. Set the developer mode to on, enter the IP address of the computer you wish to connect to the TV, then click on OK. Restart your TV to apply the changes. Now that you've met the requirements, you can go ahead and download third-party apps on your Samsung Smart TV using either internal or external methods, which may involve using a command prompt on your computer or a storage. Now download the app, turn on your TV, go to settings, select the network menu, go to the information section and see your TV's IP address. Note your TV's IP address, which should look similar to 192.168.1.39. Now open the command prompt on your computer, type ADB connect, and then your TV's IP to connect your TV. You should see a successful connection message such as connected to the IP address. Run the command adb install path to apk file to install your app. Wait for the download to be completed. A success message should appear in the prompt. Disconnect your TV from the computer with the command adb disconnect and then your TV's IP. The downloaded third-party app should now be available in the app section of your smart hub. And that is how you can basically install downloader on Samsung Smart TV.